Hi there, I am Cy, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the GoFit muscle hook. So you may have heard of the Thera Cane Massager, so I would say this is something you could compare it to. So one major difference is that on the muscle hook that I have here right now, from here to here, it's about an inch shorter distance than the Thera Cane, and from here to here is also about an inch shorter distance than the Thera Cane. So something to keep in mind. But it also is much thicker than the Thera Cane, and it also is very, very sturdy. Like, this is so durable and so hard, literally. Like, this plastic is not very flexible. It's not flexible at all, I guess. That's one of the advantages, I would say, of this GoFit muscle hook. It also comes with a little book that tells you all kinds of places you can massage with. But just to give you a basic idea, this is a pretty good one right here. You can get all up and down your spine and around your spine and around the different muscle groups on your back. And of course, you can reverse it and you can use this for more of the neck area. You can see here. And it's good for getting into the lower back, as you can see here. And it's also good for getting into the glutes, as you can see here. And I would also like to show you on the ground a couple of places you can get into. I have found that it's very good for getting into your feet, like this here. And you can kind of see I'm placing it on the outside of the foot and kind of going down and up. And also just all around all of the little pressure points. And I found that holding for about a minute and 30 seconds in each spot and then kind of moving up and down that spot, that's a good way to get a really good therapeutic use out of this kind of muscle hook. I learned this from the physical therapist, but a good way to get into the psoas muscle, which is kind of between your hip bone here and also your belly button, kind of in the middle. And you can just kind of do that like this here. And you don't need to put too much pressure. Just kind of let your hands rest on the muscle hook with your weight of your arms and hands. And that's about enough pressure. And of course, you can imagine there are so many different ways that you could think of that you could possibly use this. That being said, the only downside that I would actually say is, I did read one review about this and somebody said that they got a new one and that the plastic material wasn't as hard or as strong as the older ones. I'm not sure if that is true in all cases, but it's just something that I think you should be aware of. So that's my review of the GoFit Muscle Hook Cane Massager. I hope you liked it. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't